Hello everyone. Myself Nandini, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security Department. We are going to discuss about the topic is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and its applications. This is in our college syllabus of artificial intelligence. Now we discuss about Unit 1, Introduction to AI and AI applications. Now we see what comes to your mind when you think about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. First, we we know about artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is the science of making machines smart, capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So this also include reasoning, learning, perceptions, and language understanding, and decision making, and etc. So this is the artificial intelligence. And next one is what is a machine learning. The machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence where algorithms are trained to learn patterns and make predictions from the data. So that means focuses on creating system that learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. So this is a definition of machine learning methods. So and next one is deep learning. Deep learning is uses of neural networks with many layers to model complex patterns. So this is a deep learning concept. And then this is a personal assistance of artificial intelligence, like voice to text, AI based search for answers, and text to speech. So first we know about personal assistants. The personal assistants are software programs that use AI to help with a daily task. So that can uh, so they can be accessed through text or voice interfaces or combinations of both. So this is a personal assistance of artificial intelligence, and this is a suitable example of artificial intelligence like Arogya Sedu app. The Arogya Sedu app, this app is developed by the government of India, was launched in April 2020. This is assist in the fight against COVID-19. So this app used in artificial intelligence. And then what is AI? So what is AI here? The artificial intelligence is a single word. Now I am breaking this word. Now I am breaking this word artificial and intelligence. So the artificial defines man-made. So the man-made is a things or artificial. So next word is intelligence. The intelligence defines thinking power. So that's called artificial intelligence. So that means the artificial intelligence is a man-made thinking power. So this is a simple concept of artificial intelligence. And next one is this is a definition of artificial intelligence. So that means it is a branch of computer science by which can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. That means artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, that we can create intelligent machine. This machine can behave like a human and also think like a human, and using able to make decisions. So this is a suitable definition of artificial intelligence. So extra we know about artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is a very important subject in the computer science environment. This is a important subject in computer science environment because nowadays we are all dealing with this artificial intelligence, and this artificial intelligence combines more technology is growing very fast, and we are getting in attached with different technology day by day. So this is suitable of artificial intelligence. That means the machine has to work as a human because of this artificial intelligence. And at present, artificial intelligence currently working with variety of subfields, means whatever you are dealing nowadays, so many technologies, so many technologies we are used in artificial intelligence. So best suitable example of self-driving car. The self-driving car is most efficiently used this artificial intelligence. And one more example is playing chess in your mobile phone. uh, uh, this is using the technology of artificial intelligence. And next one is playing music, painting, and everything is related to artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence is a creation of intelligent machine. So and next one we see how do we create such intelligent machine. How do we create such intelligent machines? So I am already said over here, the suitable example of a self-driving car. The self-driving car is also known as a autonomous vehicle. This autonomous vehicle that can navigate and operate without human input, using a combination of sensor, cameras, radar, AI, and control system. So this is a suitable example of artificial intelligence. And these all are used in analytical artificial intelligence, like forecasting, predictions, natural language processing, face recognition. So this is a analytical AI. And this is a generative AI, like poetry, stories, compose music, and painting, and artwork, characters, games, so etc. So this is a generative AI. Generative AI is a text format, images, audio, video, 3D models, code, and etc. The text like stories, poetry, jokes, and etc. The image is like art, architecture, and so on. Audio purpose used in artificial intelligence, like a speech, music, and etc. Video also used in artificial intelligence by using a entertainment purpose. And so these all are used in generative AI model. And these all tools are used in artificial intelligence methods. That means like GPT-4, ChatGPT, GitHub, Bloom, Midjourney. So these all AI tools are used in generative AI. And so here these four apps used by uh, chatting purpose from one to another. So these all apps, these all tools are used in artificial intelligence. And next one is these all tools used to text to image in artificial intelligence. And this is the application of artificial intelligence. The application is healthcare, automobile, finance, surveillance, social media, entertainment, and education, space exploration, gaming, robotics, agriculture, e-commerce. These all are the applications of artificial intelligence. So once again we remember what is artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which can be created intelligent machine. That machine can behave like a human and think like a human and able to make a decision. So this is a best definition of artificial intelligence. So we already know about a basic concept of machine learning and basic concept of deep learning. So this is a artificial intelligence and applications of AI. And thank you.